All right, if you're looking out here right now, you're probably thinking invisible spray booth, but no. What I'm talking about is an inflatable spray booth, and I thought that I would set it up in the driveway to see what it looks like. Then I got a couple modifications that I'm thinking about doing to make it a little bit more usable. But I'm really interested in opening it up and see what it looks like and how big it is and all that. So this will be fun. Let's get going. Oh yeah, there it is, inflatable paint booth made in China. I got the two blowers, the big one and the little one. One's for the booth itself and one is for the ventilation. And here in the next couple weeks, after I get everything cleaned up back there and make it sure it's smooth, maybe get a little more gravel, we're going to open this baby up and do some painting. Alright, so this is what I got for my money. You got two blowers, right? Big one I think is for the inflating, smaller one is for ventilation, and you got a big huge box, which is a bouncy house of painting, evidently. I'm going to open it up and see how this thing is going to work. I got a camouflage one, which was super cool and not as easy to find. Somehow I don't think I'm going to be able to get it back in as compact a package as they have here. Holy crap, this thing is freaking awesome. Lord have mercy. It's kind of made me rethink about where I'm going to paint. I thought about doing it in the back, but I think when I'm ready to do the full paint job, I'm going to have to do it in the driveway because this thing is so stinking huge. However, the good thing about this paint booth is that I won't get any paint or anything on the driveway because it is on the bottom. You've got it covered completely on the bottom, and it's got filtration system here. You can see the filters in the side, and it pushes out all the paint fumes and everything through both of these filtration systems. I don't have the second blower hooked up just for the fact of I'm not painting anything, right? Let me tell you how impressed I am with this thing. This is freaking awesome. I love it. This is amazing. Here's what's bad, all right? Let's pretend for just a minute that I'm painting and the compressor's pulling voltage and I've got the blower going and everything else. And let's say that beautiful Jeep is getting painted and the circuit breaker pops. Oh no. What's going to happen now? Well, it looks like this tent may be in the middle of my paint job. So I need to prevent that. I've seen people make 2x4 frames that go across, but my idea, my redneck idea is, why couldn't I use PVC, which is so much lighter and easier to work with? Cut it once and you're good to go. You can actually make like a little map, but let's see, we go. Let's say I put one here at this end, one in the middle, and one at this end, and connect it with the PVC pipes going across here and here. And then you could hang your lights off of that. I believe that would work. So I need some 45s, some PVC, and truthfully I'm going to get that from Home Depot, and we're going to try to see if that indeed will put a skeleton framework just so it won't collapse if the air goes out. Now of course it's going to be a little floppy laying on top of that PVC, but this doesn't weigh that much. So I'm thinking that I can manufacture the skeleton for this thing and have a super cool paint booth. But it will be perfect for painting the Jeeps, the Toyota. My, I am excited. This is freaking cool. I'm gonna get some basic measurements of how much PVC I think I might need, and then I'm gonna deflate it and see if I can roll it up a little bit, because I'm not ready to put that together. But man, I just am thrilled with this thing. For the first time, I think, man, this is gonna be a nice spray booth and no freaking bugs. That'll be nice. Okay, so that's going to be it today for the inflatable spray booth. On the positive side, I'm excited about using it. I think it will give me a better quality paint job. It's not that hard to set up. The negative side is it's really kind of hard to get put back up. I'm going to have a helper, I think, help me try to roll that thing up or try to get it a little bit more compact, because I got a big wad of spray booth in the garage right now. However, I'm going to be designing my inner skeleton to keep it from falling down and to be able to turn the blower off like overnight while something cures out a little bit. That'll be cool too to see how that comes out. I think I'm going to use 1.5 inches. I don't know. So keep watching for the next video on the inflatable spray booth, and we'll be using this thing pretty dang soon. Appreciate you watching, being a subscriber. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.